In this week's Fresh Produce Market Overview, we discuss why tomato prices increased by 49% the past week and also why the cold weather can result in lower fruit prices in general. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT Fresh Produce Market Overview. Follow us on YouTube and Facebook, where we look at the latest price trends and news not only in the fresh produce markets of South Africa, but also in the grain and livestock markets. The exchange rate strengthened to 15.40 Rand per US dollar due to the rand that gained some support the past week. The Brent crude oil price continued to trade on a higher level with the latest price on $121 per barrel due to tight global stock levels at the moment. Better demand the past week, however, resulted in especially vegetable prices and volumes to increase on the markets. Potato prices increased by 3% to 44.09 cents per 10 kg bag, with the Class 1 potato price increasing to 47.84 Rand. The expectation is that prices can stay relatively sideways over the coming few weeks due to higher demand. The latest tomato price increased by 49% to 9.15 Rand per kilogram, while the Class 1 price traded higher on 10.16 Rand last week. The higher price was mostly driven by high demand, but also due to lower volumes available, especially considering higher quality tomatoes. We expect prices to decrease as higher volumes are again expected over the coming few weeks. Higher demand resulted in the carrot price to increase by 4% to 3.80 Rand, with the Class 1 carrot price currently on 3.99 Rand. Although demand can keep prices on a relatively higher level this week, we are expecting lower prices towards the middle of the month when volumes are likely to increase again. The latest onion price increased to 5.33 Rand per kilogram, while the average Class 1 price increased to 5.52 Rand last week. High demand can keep prices on a higher level also this week, but we may soon see prices trending downward due to volumes that is likely to start increasing on the markets. The latest cabbage price increased to 3.26 Rand, while garlic prices increased to 57.50 Rand per kilogram. We are expecting both these prices to decrease over the coming week. Spinach prices decreased by 2% to 3.94 Rand, while sweet potato prices traded higher on 2.52 Rand last week. The latest pepper price decreased by 6% to 10.56 Rand per kilogram and can possibly remain in a downward trend over the next 2 weeks due to slightly higher volumes. Pumpkin prices decreased to 2.63 Rand, while the latest mushroom price increased to 71.43 Rand per kilogram. This section was brought to you by Nile Marketplace. Nile connects fresh produce buyers and sellers by providing a platform for direct and secure transactions. Their digital solutions aim to solve issues such as price discovery, quality verification, payments, and traceability. Go check out their website now at Nile.ag. Also make sure to contact Andrew and his excellent team at Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. When looking at the fruit markets, it was again a mostly red week on the markets, with most prices coming under pressure. The cold weather also means higher demand for vegetables, while fruit demand usually decreases over this period. The banana price decreased by 3% to 6.16 Rand per kilogram, while the Class 1 price stayed on 6.78 Rand. Apple prices decreased by 2% to 6.46 Rand, with the Class 1 price on 6.75 Rand. The pear price also decreased to 6.54 Rand per kilogram, with Class 1 pears currently on 6.92 Rand. The orange price decreased by 22% to 2.39 Rand due to 48% higher volumes reported on the markets compared to the previous week. This price is currently 15% lower than last year at the same time, while volumes are 24% higher. Class 1 oranges are currently trading on 3.27 Rand per kilogram. Lemon prices increased by 2% to 3.40 Rand per kilogram, with Class 1 lemons increasing to 4.06 Rand. The avo price gained some upward momentum despite the low demand on the markets, increasing by 8% last week to R12.42 per kilogram, which can be attributed to lower volumes received on the markets. The Class 1 avo price is currently trading on R14.04. We are expecting avo prices to continue in an upward trend as volumes becomes scarcer. Table grape prices increased by 10% to R31.75, while Class 1 grapes increased to R33.89 last week. The latest pineapple price decreased to R5.78 per kilogram. Make sure to contact Halfway Toyota for the best prices and service in the country for the Toyota of your choice. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag and Halfway Toyota. I'm Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.